Ritualiss, a new keratin care. I had never tried a ritual that would tame and add shine to even the wildest, frizziest hair. Elgon Labs has formulated Ritualiss, a keratin treatment, and Paola came to test it. I started with a relaxing shampoo, then towel dried her hair. After weighing 30 to 40 grams of Super corrective blend, I split the hair in areas. Then, I applied to sections of 2 to 3 centimeters and combed through. I left it in for 30 minutes. Then rinsed and washed with a relaxing shampoo again. I towel dried again and applied the supercharged reconstructor, strand by strand, from roots to end. Combed through and left for 30 minutes. Then I rinsed the supercharged reconstructor out thoroughly, towel dried, and applied fluid minerals to each strand of hair. I used the straighteners at 220 degrees Celsius, 3 to 4 times per strand, and I noticed there was no steam. When I was finished, I used the instant smoothing spray all over. The hair was really soft, tamed and glossy. But to verify performance, we met again. I noticed an effective volume reduction with lovely smooth hair, even several days after treatment. I'm happy to be able to offer salons a safe, effective product for staff and clients. Ritualiss.